Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Coinbase Wallet something went wrong. Sometimes user may face this type of error in Coinbase Wallet. Don't worry, you can follow these steps to solve this problem. First, make sure that you have installed the most updated version of Coinbase. For this, you just need to go to Play Store or App Store and search for Coinbase and make sure there is no update available. If there is any update available, then you should immediately click on this update button and update your Coinbase application to the latest version that available in the store. Now you also can follow these steps. You just need to go to the Coinbase app information. Also, you can go to your settings, and here you can search for apps. In your settings, you just need to search for apps, and from here here is the settings, and from here you can go to the app and you just need to select the Coinbase. Also, you can hold it down and go to app info. The process is same, and you just need to go to storage uses, and from here you can simply click on clear data or clear cache. If you click on clear data, then it will clear the additional data with the cache that stored in your storage, and then you can check that if the problem solved or not. If the problem still exists, then you can uninstall the Coinbase application on your device and reinstall it in your device again from your Apple Store or your Google Play Store. Then you can try again, log into your Coinbase and see that if the problem is solved or not. If you are still facing the problem, you just need to go to coinbase.com, and from here in the support section you can click on contact us to contact to a Coinbase representative and tell them about the problem you're facing, that about the error. Then they can help you. You can contact them through their mobile number. Here you can find a phone number in this page, and here it is, the phone number. You can call them on this number and tell them about the problem. Also, if you create a Coinbase account in website, you can chat with the representative. You can use the live chat feature of Coinbase and tell them about the problem that you're facing. That's all. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.